Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Code for Kids. So today we will learn about for loop in Python. Okay. Before that, I want to inform you one good news. In our channel, I started machine learning project for the kids. Even you can access that playlist also. Here we need to first you have to go to our channel Code for Kids. Okay, this is our channel. Over here, if you will go to the channel playlist, you will get our new playlist, which is machine learning. So you can access this one also. Okay. So let's start our Python for loops. So first thing, we have to search our Google Colab for Python. We need to access that, and here we have to just click on create new notebook. Okay, so what will happen in that notebook, we can do our project. Click on new notebook. So first thing, I will explain you what is Python for loop. Okay, so see, first thing, why we are using the loop. So if you want to access anything, see, we have list, we have tuple, we have dictionary, we have set, we have strings. So if you want to access all these data, so we have one method which is for loop. So with the help of our for loop, we can iterate all this thing and we can access the data. So we can say a for loop is used for iterating over a sequence. The sequence can be your list, or it can be the tuple or dictionary or set or anything. Okay. So now we will see the next part. So we can say the for loop is just a keyword like in any other programming language, and it work more like an iterator method, we can say. Okay, and this for loop we are using in our object oriented programming language. Okay, so now we will see one example. Suppose we have one variable which is animal. Here we have some values first, see, I like dog, so I will write dog. Then we have cat, and we have one more animal which is you can write your favorite animal name. I want to write elephant. Okay, after that, if you want to access this item, what we can do in the for loop, we can take one variable name. Suppose for x in, you have to write in keyword. And what is our variable name? Here we have animal, right? You need to take your colon. Now you can just print x. Okay, so by using your print method, we can print anything. So here you need to write your variable name. Now what will happen if I will run this project? So you can just stop this video in the comment section, write your output. Okay, so what output you will get here? You will get dog, cat, elephant, means whatever value we declared here, you will get the same value. Okay. Now we will see the next part. Suppose if you want to use the break statement here, okay, what we have to do. So I'm little bit lazy, so I will copy this code. You can take a plus sign here, so you will get one more section here. In a same program, I want to add one condition. If x is equal to, if I have here dog, so what will happen? I want to break this. Okay. Now, if you will run, so what output you will get here? So here we have to just take one space because so here see, if x is equal to dog, we need to break, means it will not print your further value. But if I will write cat here, so what will happen? It will print your dog and cat as well. After the cat, whatever we have here, it will eliminate that value. So this is called as break statement. Okay. So we can say with the help of our break statement, we can stop the loop before it has looped through all the items. Okay. So that's why we are using the break statement. Now we can see the next one, which is our continue statement. So again, I will take one plus code section here, and you can use our same example like a in an animal variable we have some values. So now we have to add one condition if x equals to like cat. So I want to continue. If x is equal to cat, so I want to continue here. So you have to use your continue keyword, and then I want to print my x. Print, and you need to print your value. Suppose I want to print the x. So what will happen now? Yes, suppose I don't want to print here this value. And if x equals to cat, okay, I want to continue first, and then we want to print the value. Okay. So now we will see what output you will get here. See what you will get here. If x equals to cat, we need to continue this. Now here we have to print. So what will happen? It will eliminate this value like your cat value. Now you will get dog and elephant. Okay. Now what will happen if I will write dog here instead of cat? If I will write dog, and if you will run this, so you will get cat and elephant because we have to continue this. Okay. Now after that we can use our range function. Okay. So why we are using the range? Suppose if you want to print anything in a sequence, so we can say the range function return us a sequence of number like a starting from by default we have a 0 value, and it will increment by 1 by default, and whatever number you will specify here, that is your last number. Suppose I want to just write for x in range. So range is our inbuilt function. Here I want to pass the value 6. Okay. Now you need to just print this x. So print x. Now see what will happen. What output you will get here. Run this project. You will get, see, it will start from 0 till 5 because we have a range like a 0 to 6. So in this way we can use our for loop. Even we can use our else part here. Suppose if for x in range 6 we need to print x, else I want to print, we can write any statement like I want to print finished. So we can write finished. Now, if I will run this program, you will get first your range. In a else part, you will get a finished. So in this way, we can use our for loop. Okay. So please like, share and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon if you want more latest update. So thank you so much. Have a great day.